Hi there. Again, it's part 2 of the Unit 3, Activity 3, Assignment 1. And what this is trying to show you, okay, so here's your general ledger, and these are the balances that you should be having in each of the accounts. And I'm just highlighting a few of them so that you can see how the balance is determined and where it comes from. And then these numbers have to be transferred to the trial balance to see if your ledger balances. Is your accounting equation still in balance? Asset equals liabilities plus equity. And that's what the whole point is, and that's what this accounting is all about. So I'm just highlighting the balances here. Just stick with me for a minute. Let me do that. Okay, so one thing I wanted to point out is that you see here accounts payable, it wasn't impacted by any of the journal entries, nor was furniture. It was unchanged. You may have put this unused desk into furniture, and that's probably the most correct way. So you know what? I'm going to actually move that and take that out of there right now and change that. So I'm going to delete that. And I'm going to no fill. Just have to go back to see. Okay, so it was February 5th. Actually, what am I doing? Why don't I just take it, copy it, and then paste it in here. 2, 3. Okay, so I'll delete it from the equipment account. And here my balance doesn't make sense. It's 700 plus, or sorry, 700 minus 150 from this credit should actually give us a balance of 550. So what it's done is added it. So what I'm going to do is go up and look at the formula here. So we're going to go equals beginning balance minus credits plus the debits. There we go. So there's our balance of 550 in furniture, and I think that probably corresponds with what you have. Okay, so here's our ledger. It's all done. And then the trial balance is right here. So you can see all of these numbers come from the ledger. So 197 in cash and 265, you can see that. And then you can see how in this particular example, right now, it's out of balance. And so let's solve the problem. Why it doesn't balance is a good question. Grooming equipment has to be 900. And so there was our mistake. So there was a problem there. And the reason that we had this little issue is that I used a former student's example here as a guide, as a starting point. So you can see how, it's good, I think, that you saw that sometimes it doesn't balance and you just have to be patient and go back and find, what you have to do in order to make it balance. Okay, so there's your answer. Hopefully you can do that and there's no problem. Take care. Have a good day.